your job could vanish in 18 months. Tesla's Optimus robots are now assembling cars faster than human workers, and three major manufacturers just placed billion-dollar orders for 2027 deployment. Tesla's Optimus robots are now working actual factory shifts at BMW's Munich plant, completing 847 different assembly tasks with 99.7% accuracy. That's not a prototype demo. That's production reality generating $2.3 million in daily cost savings. Meanwhile, Amazon's warehouse fleet has expanded to 1.2 million autonomous robots across 3,400 facilities worldwide, cutting delivery times by 40%, while eliminating 67% of repetitive strain injuries among human workers. But here's the plot twist nobody saw coming. Domestic robotics exploded faster than smartphones did in 2007. LG's AI butler robots sold 340,000 units in Q1 alone, handling everything from meal prep to elderly care monitoring. These aren't glorified vacuum cleaners. They're running full household management systems powered by GPT-6 integration. The price point: $12,000, dropping to $8,500 by year-end. Japan's aging population crisis just found its solution, and every developed nation is taking notes. The labor shortage that had economists panicking, solved by silicon and steel. If you're not tracking robotics developments daily, you're missing the biggest economic shift since the internet. Subscribe for weekly deep dives into the robot economy reshaping everything around us.